Okay, new rhythm in a 3/4 time signature. And whoops, forgot to mute that. Um, so make sure you definitely practice counting this. This is really important because what I'm going to be doing is it's like preparing you for a pretty challenging rhythm where it's going to be a polymeter. The strumming pattern is going to be repeated over and over again. It's going to be laid out in a 4/4 time signature where you change chords each new bar. And I find that counting it as a 3/4 the entire time is extremely helpful in getting something like this really, really fast. This whole polymeter thing is going to be coming up here. So this is like training for that bigger picture thing. So getting this up to 180 or beyond, that's your goal to turn things in early. I'm sure you'll be able to work this up just fine. But make sure don't skip the steps of going 60, 65, 70, 75, all the way up in fives. Count out loud as much as you can. And a lot of times when it's going really fast, I just count more quietly or just mouth it, because apparently saying it with decent volume is harder to do faster, and it's easier to do when you're playing or easier to say it faster when you say it quietly. I don't know. So yeah, say it. Practice saying it. It's going to make things much, much easier for the polyrhythm. Not polyrhythm. That's different. For the polymeter that will be coming up. Okay, so here we go. 1 and a 2E and 3E and 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 1. Turn it up a little bit. Okay, you don't have to palm mute it. I do like palm muting it, especially when it gets going fast. It sounds a lot more brutal. Sounding. 1 and a 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 1 and a 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 2 and 3 and 1 1, 2, 1 and a 2 and 3 and 1. One, two, 1, 2, 3. 200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Goddamn. Yeah. If I was to go faster, and this is something we can certainly start talking about soon, I would need to play a little bit different. Basically, for the 8th note parts, I would need to go down up in order to go really fast with it. Actually, how the hell do I do this? I end up changing changing it, like if I actually started with an upstroke, so basically what I end up doing at these kinds of speeds, like I would start with a downstroke, as I normally do. Actually, yeah, so what I end up doing when I'm going really fast there, for that part, I end up doing what I do here. So I start off going like down, down, up, 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 down, up. And I ended up starting the bars with the upstroke. Took me a while to get the hang of that. But that's really the only way I think you can truly pull off stupid fast speeds with that kind of thing. So basically, you could think of it as you start with an upstroke. So up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Whew. Of course, a lot easier in just one string, too. But for the sake of ensuring the best possible outcome with super solid rhythm, I want you to do it, well, technically the hard way, by going down, down, up, down, 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 down. So, see how far you can push it. Again, 180 minimum before sending it in early. 200 would be even better, especially with the goal you have, like how fast you want to go with these things. I say if, once you hit 200 on something like this and you're pushing past it and you find that you can no longer maintain the speed past that, then we can discuss changing it up to the technically easier way. It does mess with people's heads doing it like that, because you get so used to doing it one way, and then when you have to flip it around the other way, it just takes some getting used to. But once you do get used to it, you can really do a lot with it. And that's how I'm able to do like reverse scallop stuff a heck of a lot faster than normal, like I would normally do. I got used to the going like the down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Haven't worked on it in a while, but I was able to push speeds faster than I would normally do with a normal reverse scallop rhythm. But I do feel it's a more advanced thing because you got to have a lot more control of how your picking hand moves before going into that. So I want to make sure you got really good, solid pick control before we try doing the let's say obscure picking approach. There we go. All right, so yeah, keep working on the down picking stuff. Just let me know when you update that folder, and I think that's it. Any questions? Let me know. I'll see you again in your new videos.